So what's up, gang? So gonna do something a little different today. 1/16 scale custom. We got a versatile 895 here that we've just done some real basic custom stuff. Lights on the front, as you can see there. Let's go ahead and bring you down here. Flashers up top. Banded duals. Those planetaries I just whipped up in 3D printing. Those look sweet, don't they? Like, those are perfect. Anyway, banded duals, as you can see. Hydraulic hoses, flashers on the back. And then flasher lights here. And and then hydraulic outlets. Just a really kind of sweet, simple custom. I mean, you can take, you can just take a real simple scale models, 895 versatile, put a little bit of time and money into it, and you've got a really cool 1/16 scale tractor. So I got to give my dad most of the credit on that. He actually did most of the work there. So now we're going to move along to the next thing, which is our NH3 applicator. So again, I'm not going to take much credit here. He did all the scratch building, the scratch built frame and all that stuff. Now I 3D printed these openers and closers. So now it does fold. It's really stiff. You know, I may not unfold that. It does fold. It's a two-handed job. It's super stiff, and we made it like that so that it'll sit up there. Now these cylinders came off an Ertl disc that we didn't need anymore. We tore it up for something else. And then, the frame's all scratch built. The wheels, I believe, came off that same Ertl disc, if I remember correctly. And then the hoses, they're just actually, I can't remember where he got those. I think he got those at like some, like supply store where he just found these little hoses. And he made, he scratch built the distributor there, and then just ran the hoses into the back of the shanks like so. So it's pretty cool. He, you can see, here we go. Here you can kind of get a better look at how those are mounted in case you want to do something like this. So he drilled through and then ran a pin, and then ran those hoses into that so that they'll stay. Now back here, so we've been having this discussion, what we want to do with this tongue. It obviously needs painted up, and so we're probably going to do it green to match the body, but we're thinking about doing it black, because the local co-op has black tongues on there, whatever, because I think they've all been repainted. And then you can see the tank, the thing goes in there. We'll probably do something to shorten this up or make that a little better, but anyway, all scratch built. You can see how it hooks up there. You got a pin to run through it and all that sort of thing. But I just thought you guys might like to see that whole outfit. I know this is just like a short little video, and you have to pardon my mess below, but pretty cool get up there, really, I think. I'm proud of it. I'm pretty sure my dad's proud of it. I think it turned out really good. I know, like I said, a lot of simple stuff, especially on this versatile. You could do one of these up pretty cheap, actually. I mean, the tires are going to be your most expensive thing here, but everything else is pretty inexpensive, and it really makes for a really nice tractor. So, and then this scratch build applicator is just awesome. I think, anyway. All right, guys, let me know what you think below. We don't do a whole lot of 16 scale custom on stuff on here, but when we do, it seems like it's really popular. So anyway, hope you guys like it, and as always, thank you for watching. Have yourselves a great day. Happy tractor hunting. Treat each other well. Catch you later.